Today is May 7th, 2019. It is about 8:40 p.m. Today I have been at it all today to craft this air pump that's gonna stick down towards the bottom of the water well and help suck the sediment out. And right here, this is where the hose will continue all the way till it's out of the casing. And this copper tubing is what the air hose is going to connect to. And I'm going to hook up two air compressors since it's 380 feet for the water well. And the way this all works is this is a pipe with a bunch of holes in it. I went ahead and triangulated them and did them at 1/8, and it's gonna go on the inside of the pump. And then I got two more welds to solder on there. I'm not an expert. By the time I got to the third one, I got way better at doing my brazing technique. And this is going to join in right here. And it's going to be like so. And of course, I'll be attaching everything together. And then the air hose will hook up all the way to the top and hook up to right here. And so the two air compressors are going to blow air down in there, and this cap off is going to be glued on the bottom like this. And when I hook up the two air compressors, it's going to blow air down in here, and these slits are going to allow the sediment to fall in there. And I got my air holes from here and on, and it's going to draw it all upward and blow it out and hopefully remove a lot of sediment. So this is what I'm coming up with. I believe it will work. As you can tell, I bought this pipe when I first got here in 2014. So I'm anxious to see how it works. I got lots of parts here to go along with the air pump. I'm pretty much almost done assembling this. So I look really forward to seeing how this works. The overall length is about almost 38 inches. 40 inches, and it's going to be hooked up to 400 feet air hose and a 500 foot main line right here, 1.5 inch main line and 3/4 inch air hose line. So I'll be looking forward to showing how this works. Unfortunately, I would have had it done today, but my brand new Benzomatic, the ball valve broke in there to open it up and allow the air through. It just broke. So kind of weird. But once I get these last two welds, well, bracing's done, then I can go ahead and finalize it and run some air and see how well it pulls from 380 feet. So I hope you like this custom design. I wanted to call it my axe pump. For the reason why it'll be called an axe pump is because this is about 10 inches from the bottom right here. And I got 10 sets of trio holes in the main shaft, and then the rest are all 3 inches apart. So I'm going to see how well my custom design works for an air pump, and I hope it's well worth it. Enjoy.